The allegations leveled against the Customs Anti-Narcotics Unit Canu by self-confessed drug lord Barry Dattaram that the unit is deeply involved in the drug trade in Guyana have not fallen on deaf ears. Wednesday morning, President David Granger announced that the allegations leveled by Dattaram will be investigated by way of a board of inquiry.
And yesterday, the 1st of March, this matter came before the National Security Committee, and we have decided that a board of inquiry will be convened under an officer to be named, a person to be named, and that inquiry will determine the veracity of the information which was published in the newspaper. So, yes, we are convening an inquiry to investigate the allegations which were made.
Dattaram talks about how Canu demands hefty bribes from drug dealers once they're busted, and oftentimes puts drugs seized from dealers back on the streets. He told Nightly News that he knows this since he too deals with drugs. President Granger said that the investigating officer and the terms of reference will be released soon.
The person will be given terms of reference to investigate the allegations which had been reported in the press concerning the alleged improper behavior of officers of the state.
The self-confessed drug lord also spoke of how Canu only goes after a few, which are the ones who would refuse to pay the hefty bribes when busted. Dattaram also alleges that a few ranks habitually conduct searches of homes without the knowledge of the unit's head, James Singh, and that those very ranks would take valuables from drug dealers' home while conducting searches. The president was asked what would be the result if anyone were to be found culpable.
Well, we'll deal with the culpable in the way that we always deal with the culpable. we expect the due process, there'll be due process. If the person alleged to have committed offenses, if there is a case to answer, we will ensure that the person is put before after proper investigation, is put before the court. But we don't interfere in the judicial process. Once we feel there's a case to answer, well, we will refer the case to the authorities and the law will take its course.
Thank you very much.
We're not persecuting anybody, but we just want to know the facts and we'll take it from there.
Canu's head, James Singh, has vehemently denied all allegations in a statement released to the press. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.